Hey guys, so with this rain that we've been having in the summer, which right now it's July, beginning part of July, we're normally sitting in the upper 90s or hundreds and haven't seen rain in a while. So it's kind of odd to have all this rain that we've been having the last few months. But something you may start seeing, and it can happen, especially if you have zoysia or St. Augustine, but we are seeing it in Bermuda, is some disease problems. And these can be different variations of little tiny spots or big patches or just kind of some sick looking areas throughout the yard. And some of these you can just kind of wait and see what happens, let the heat come in, let it dry out, and it'll kind of all go back to normal. There are other ones that might be a little bit bigger of a problem. You actually want to have them treated, and you don't want to waste any time on it because they can get pretty bad pretty quick. It's always good to have somebody look at it and just to make sure it is something that doesn't need to be or does need to be treated. You want to make sure you get on a program if it does. And there are a number of reasons why the diseases pop up in certain areas and other areas they don't. And most of the time it has to do with the soil condition. And when it stays wet and real humid out with the heat, it can kind of spark off some pathogens in there to really get going and cause some issues. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.